In this video, we will delve into the world of embedded native integrations with Versori user integrations. If you're a SaaS platform aiming to build your own library of connectors through Versori, offering them in your user interface as a native experience for your customers is a game changer. With just a simple click on a connect button, users can connect to any third-party systems that you offer, authenticate themselves, and the integration flows and scopes start instantly. This approach significantly eliminates the need to build custom integrations for each customer. For this demonstration, we'll assume the role of Webflow, aiming to build a library of instant connectors into different systems and apps for our users. In this workflow, we have a webhook trigger that extracts data from a form and sends a message to Slack. This is the integration we aim to build. Typically, for such an integration, we would build single-tenant integration connections, one into Slack, and authenticate with a single tenant and one into Webflow to integrate a single tenant. However, this time, we want to make it embedded, allowing multiple tenants to use the same integration as a template. This transition simply involves moving from fixed to embedded. Next, we apply the same changes on Webflow, thereby setting up both systems for embedded multi-tenant users. To test this, we head over to Users in the console, create a user, add a display name, and the external ID for that user, which is the user ID on Webflow. After creating the user, we activate it. Next, we head over to Slack, create a new connection with a new connection name, which in this case is Sean. We authorize it, allow the scopes for Slack, and the customer is now connected. We repeat this process for Webflow, which requires an API key. We input the API key, save it, and now it's connected. There might be integration variables such as posting a message into our own Slack channel. We set this up with our demo Slack channel and a message prefix, which is new form request. We set the include form name, and these variables for the integration are set up when we build the integration. After this, we click Activate, and the user is activated against that integration. For a full embedding journey of how to lift up this integration and call it through the Versori SDK from your UI, stay tuned for another video. But for now, thank you very much for watching.